When are we going to understand the fact that time is slipping from our hands at an incredible speed? When are you going to understand the fact that day by day we are losing the strength of our body, and soon a date will come and we shall all pass away from this world? When will you understand the importance of being a complete productive human and its creative wisdom? Before the inevitable death take place, have you done anything concrete in your life that you can be proud of? Have you done anything significant that you can set an example to others? Did you feel important by other people at any situation of your life? Have your presence been esteemed by your friends and relatives? These are the questions that nobody can dare to ask you, but certainly your own conscience will keep asking you every moment. You can escape to answer these questions from people who may or may not ask you, but can you escape from your own conscience? Remember, everything is important for you, for me, and for everyone. Every human being is a producer, creator, contributor, and donator of the mankind. Instead of bringing killing thoughts for a miserable reason, why don't you divert in some good cause for the sake of those people who value their life and they would acknowledge your worth? Why don't you do something tangible and help the needy so that people will feel that you are important? You will begin to understand your life was not bad as it was meant to be. You will appreciate your true worth as a human. You will feel positive, superior, and a sense of achievement. You will appreciate your true worth as a human, and it can spark a new outlook to your personality. 100 troubles can take you into a depression, but one good deed which is worth 1,000,000 values would wash away all your depressive thoughts. This is the uniqueness of being a human. When you see yourself in adversity, then suddenly start doing something good for others. Don't allow the emotion of depression to reside in your mental asylum. This will bring you contentment and peace of mind. The diversion of your mind would bring immense satisfaction. So what? If something bad has happened, still you are contributing by doing something good to others. Human beings have remarkable healing power and auto-correction system in their being when they solve other people's problem. Don't feel ignored or deprived. I'm important, you are important, and we all are important to this world. Be a human before you die.